Crazy but reclaim candle from the longs there. Might get tagged out of our stop loss. We're actually at a tough price here as well.
Stop filled.
And we did. We got tagged out of there. Means we can size up into these and look for more. That's annoying. It's annoying. We needed 50 bucks. Now we need 200. NASDAQ. Wowzers. Acting like it's ready to go higher. Do we get through these 70s this time? Or do we not? Do we actually get through these 70s this time? Or do we not? I'd anticipate that we might, to be honest with you guys. We had a volume spike to break through the bottom of the 15-minute range. We couldn't, with more volume than we traded other than that second minute. We couldn't push any lower. Buyers reclaimed it. The sellers took another attempt to get back through here. And then the buyers immediately reclaimed it again. So I would anticipate we go break the top of this 15-minute range right now, which would be a breaker of the 73s. And then from there, we could probably see that previous day high. Could find some resistance up there as well, but we might at least get a break of it. Here we go with the longs, still stepping in at the moment. Here we go to the top of the 15-minute range. Once we break through that, I'm not going to really know where we're going to go. Any pullback, I'm taking a long attempt if we don't break through the top of this 15 yet. Oh, just broke it. God dang it, NASDAQ. God dang it, NASDAQ. Why you got to do that without me? Now that we broke both sides of the 15-minute range, it's kind of a balanced day, and I don't really know where we could be going. I still think that previous day high target is fairly okay. Here we go. Now you see the volume coming. 800 is where that previous day high was. Right around this price is here at these what is the actual top? 800. So we might have already broke through that actually. A little bit of resistance here at this PDH. Overnight high right above. Crazy out of these longs. I mean, this has been the strategy, right? Find longs and buy them. It's been the strategy. It's been the method to the madness. You find a long and you buy that thing. So we did tap into that previous day high now. Took out the liquidity there. We have overnight high at the 815s. Feels possible that we could get up around there, but obviously with this previous spot of a lot of the wick absorptions, a weird price. The V recovery is pretty nice though. Gives me confidence to at least try it. If we come back into the top of the 15-minute range, I'd be interested to try a little long maybe. Back in around these 60s, 70s. What do we need? We need 200 Beanos to pass these accounts. Tyler, have you ever tried a drink called Morir Sanado? Morir Sanando when you went to... I didn't go to PR yet, work. I want to. It's one of the spots I really want to go check out, but no, I have not had it. Is it good? Poof, account's gone. Mother. Sorry, Queen. This is my least favorite chat to read. Sorry to hear that. This volume spike is kind of atrocious right now. I'm not going to hold you. Right to that previous day high, just so strong, so straight up. Buyers have just been doing this over and over. But you know what it is, Queen. You know what it is. One set of accounts. One set of accounts can change your life. Excuse me. Sorry about that, family. Quite literally, just like we did with those Lucids. $700 in spend, generating $36,000. 40K, but they kept 4. They kept 4. You know what? They deserve that 4. Previous day high, only 10 points above. Feels like we're reaching for it. I want any pullback, but this has been the chart pattern where you just don't get any pullbacks. We come back in around these 70s. I'm going to be long in it. Of course, we're getting another attempt, another wick resorption at these previous, triple top over here that we had the overnight high. That ended up getting broke through on the third attempt, but still. Any pullback in towards these 70s, I'm long. Basically an EMA touch at this point. Basically an EMA touch at these 77s. I'm going to try it. Give me a touch. Give me a touch. Give me touchy touchy. Give me a little bit of a touchy touchy touchy. A little touchy touchy. Essentially the top of the 15-minute range. Yeah, I got long at the top of the 15-minute range. Want to see if we can find any buying to hold this. Want to see this candle close bullish. Nice wick on it would be a nice hunt towards those highs. Got tapped in at the 77s. We need 200 bucks, which would be, we're a 4. So what is that? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 divided by 200. 24 points or so. So right around 800 whole number. A little bit over the 8s would be in there. If we can find some closure, we got to find some support at the top of this 15-minute range where the price is trying to come into. Want to see the wicks hold. Since we struggled so hard to get through the 70s, now that we're through them, you want to find pretty easy support. We already did take out that previous day high spot, so it's one thing I don't love about it. We already found that support there. Come on, get up through that top of the 15-minute range. As long as we're holding up here, I don't mind it. It's a little slower than I anticipate off an EMA touch like that. Makes me think that we're not exactly finding the order fills that I looked for. I was hoping to see, I want to see some nice support through here. Top of the 15-minute range needs to get held for us to be safe. Continue to hold this EMA. I don't really want to see us retest these 70s, 60, 70s. I want to see us hold this. And then maybe go hunt that 800 one more try. It's a good candle reaction for the longs, honestly. As long as we can get a closure above the top of the 15 now, I think we're going to find some continuation. As long as we get a closure above the top of the 15-minute range, we should find a little bit of continuation into the 800s again. Another doji though won't be cool. I think I need like 801 exactly to be done with these accounts. Something like that at least. Get up there. Quit dojiing. Get some volume. Come on, just like that. We're gonna see the 801s get traded. I think 801 is us taken as being where we need
order
to be.
filled.
I don't want to put my math wrong, though, of course. Maybe I need a little higher than that, actually, because it doesn't really look like I'm in there. Got to get a closure through here. This is a scary spot where if the buyers don't actually get volume to break through this previous swing high, it could be a lower high, and we could be bringing it right back in towards this area. Got to find continuation on this push. Try to get through this previous swing at these 8s. Of course, there's going to be resistance here no matter what. Unfortunately, for the trade that we're in, I'm asking for this to break, so I might as well just size down, go to like 10, sell 10 of them right here at this top in case we do come back down, and then if we don't break, if we don't come back down, I can ride through the momentum with the other 10, if that makes sense.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Trading off of that 15-minute range with those 5 contracts and try to get something to push. And if it pushes, well, then we're going to lock in a big fatty of a payout. But if not, we lose and we go back to square one. And you guys know that's the game. You keep your head on no matter what. 28, 875, 57. That's what you need, D. Congrats, man. That's awesome. I appreciate it, Corey. How you doing today, King? You just popping in? Are you taking any trades or how you feeling? Just got paid. Let's go, baby. That's what it's about, D. Come on, King. Ripping. Just straight Valhalla. It's a long market, baby. You get paid today. You get paid in this month just by finding a buy. It's really been the strategy. You find a buy and you just buy that thing. You find a buy, you trust it, you know the NASDAQ is behind you with volume, and they're going to bring you to Valhalla, and it's trusted. Send it, King, you got this. That's the plan, Pat. You're gonna be on camera with us while we do it. There we go into the 900s. Holy volume spike. NASDAQ just traded the 28,900s for the first time in the history of the world. Right in front of our faces, we just pushed into the 900s with orders being smashed. You're going to be live on camera with us, Pat, while we go for one of the biggest payouts in a single day that I've ever hit. If I can do it. Of course, we're still going to get over the buffer. Still going to have to build up a nice little distance to draw down so then I can actually put the contract size on through our 15-minute range, trust the setup, and then get paid, hopefully. I've been getting tilted lately, going back to one lucid until I find some consistency again. I like that, Corey. I mean, guys, there's no rule book. There's no anyone to hold your hand. This is a you versus you game. You have to recognize your own psychological things, where you're at, what you're looking for. The volume that came in right there as well was 3,400 contracts to push us up. That's crazy. But it's a you versus you, baby. So I'm proud of you, Corey. It's not easy to recognize, take a step back, and you're ready to get in there and do the things. So it's not easy, King, but I love it. I'm gonna take a snipe scalp off this 900 or 858 bottom. If I can get filled at the CMA, I'm looking for a snipe, a little scalp. Actually, I wouldn't even mind this being 2 contracts, to be honest with you. At the 859s for a little snipe back up in the range. Can you give it to me though, Nazi? $861's new price, 2 contracts. Stop for me would be below this pump candle. Can we get in, baby? Don't do that. Well, EMA touch could give us a little reaction. Trying to get in at the 61s. She looks like she's trying to go without me. Just want to go see the retest at the highs before we get out. Again, I don't think it would just be a straight down move, although we did hit 900, which is going to be a big liquidity level no matter how you spin it up. Just looking for a little snipe off this. Looking for a little bounce, something slight here.
Order filled.
The buyers did just get a lot of action. They've been getting action. They've been getting paid. So to get a push off of it isn't going to be crazy.
Order rejected.
Get us up into those 98s. 98s would be our full TP. It's a little higher than I wish.
Order filled.
A little bit higher than I wish it could be. I wish it was like the 94s or so. Having to try to get into that wick is a little scary. Ain't gonna hold you. I guess the smart thing to do is kind of the same thing. Kind of go to 5 contracts and get out of one at like where I'd rather be get out at. And then just let the other one try to run for us if it's going to. It's good volume back into the 90s there. Do we get continuation off that? Decent candle closure. I want to see another reaction from the buyers, though. Don't want to see them give up the 80s. 98 would be our full TP here. Get up there, Queen. We love you. Get up there, Queen. We love you. I might get out of half this position here at around these 94s or so if we can't get up into it now. And then just scale my other ones. Same strategy I was talking about with the micros earlier. Where if I'm asking for this to break, I don't technically need it to break this time. I'm inside of it, so that's why I'm a little bit less hesitant to do it. I like where I'm actually asking for. If we get a chance to retest that wick, then we should be decent to the try. As long as these 80s hold, I think we see the 90s. And then from the 90s, I just need a flash to the 98s, and we're out of here. Give us a candle closure up above
Order
there.
filled.
Nice volume. Got to get volume now as the buyers are trying.
Order filled. Order filled.
Get us up in there. Don't want a double closure. If we get a double doji, I'm going to close half. Wait for all the information. Still kind of a bullish close. A lot of resistance here at these 86s or so. Breaking through that would bring volume. Holding it is going to be interesting. I don't hate to see this single wick hold us. Get up there. Get on up through there now, Queen. She's trying it. She just swept through that 86 liquidity. You can tell there's a lot of sellers that are loading up at that price. Retest those 98s for me.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm out of half there. I'm going to take half there and let the other one ride. No need not to. We already secured some profits. We secured some profits. We only need, what, 20-something points from here. So if we're going to break through, we're going to break through. See if I find the 98. Was that a bad idea? Looks like it might have been. I feel like it's the same idea, though, where if we do get this to push, we should be okay. We'll find out. We will find out. I'm ready, bro. I love it. Tomorrow is going to be a day for real. I'm getting in the stream tomorrow with the blunt ready. Let's go. Let's go. TP hit. I love it, TLR. Congrats, King. Great trading. I appreciate that, King. I'm 200 from passing one lucid now on that balance, on that bounce. Let's go, baby. Find that 200. You can see the resistance of those 95s. That was why I was kind of hesitant to take some off there and just let this to ride. If we are going to break, we're going to break. Otherwise, we could give some back here. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. You need 99 for 37.5 points. That was 99. So, yeah, that's why I was, I don't like how close we were to that 900, Dave. Made me get out. I have mine just above that. I love it. 17 likes, guys. Let's hit the show some love. 17 likes. That means that we need 13 more to hit our goal. There's 33 people watching, family. If 13 of you guys are here on a consistent basis and you haven't found any love to the love button yet, it would mean a lot, guys. We do this every single day completely for free with you guys. And I hope show some value. Hope to show you guys that it's possible. NASDAQ looks like it's about to give us out of the fun here, unfortunately. Meaning that we need to look for another position. The 900s are starting to get a little sticky for selling, which is a huge level of liquidity, so it's not surprising whatsoever. Now we're officially below the EMA for the first time in a little while. Where do we go from here? It feels like our price is pretty susceptible.
Stop filled.
Indeed it was. That retest there, D. So just for reference, remember how I told you we're not going to just push off one time? That was this push off. That's why I had confidence to try this long. But on this retest, this could be a failure, and then we could actually start heading lower. So if you're ever trading all-time highs, you guys want to like decide when to get out. Wait for the actual rejection of your price. So wherever you're at, the big whole number, the 900s, big rejection, and then a retest. And you can see that structure right there. That is a classic, better chance of actually being tagged out before the continuation lower. Of course, it looks like we're just the absolute unlucky Timothy of the day, but tagged out at complete bottom tick. For what reason, I don't know, but it's what we're looking at the moment. Why would it have to come down towards our price one more time? I don't know. Hit my 1500 for the day on my eval. Just need 160 to pass now. Let's go, baby. Tomorrow is easy for you, TLR. Hitting that. How do you build up your patience, sir? K Rise, great question, King. Just patience. Just patience. This sounds so funny to say, but I don't mean practice your patience in the moment. I mean practice your patience with the result of trading. So we all want trading to work out tomorrow. And so that feeling of like, oh, I need to get paid right now makes us be hyper emotional in the moment for decisions. Like we get so afraid of things in the micro because we're putting so much weight on it because we need to succeed, pay our bills, whatever it is. So zoom out patience in the macro. Trust that right now what you're doing is you're learning, K. And for all of you guys, we're learning how to trade. We're learning the process that will eventually pay our bills and whatnot. And it's hard. It's a hard journey. So expect it to be hard. Expect there to be bumps. And in that moment of the turmoil in between, it will let you zoom out, be less emotional, and actually be able to read price and develop that patience because you're looking to get better, not for the quick money right now to pay a bill or something. You know what I'm saying? Hope that makes sense. I took 963 on that pump. Might re-enter if we get back to the EMA. I don't know. We're kind of breaking below the EMA right now on a retest. I still think this could pump back up, to be honest with you. I feel like I'm literally the bottom tick there, but I don't know. Okay, I got it. Let's go, D. Oh, I'm glad you see what I'm talking about there. Not the Timothy, the unlucky Timothy. There he is. You finding luck today, King? You better be. Practice. Practice makes patience, baby. Do you only trade one contract for NQ? How many points do you go for? Eli, it's both back and forth. Like this trade right here was 2 contracts. And then I just look for my whatever I'm needing for that day for my profit target for what I'm looking for. Sometimes it's usually set up with structure. So like the reason I got out here is because I didn't really want to front run this wick. I didn't anticipate that we're going to break it. So I was trying to find a balance in between. But yeah, usually it's about 1, sometimes 2 contracts. And then I just trade what the chart's giving me. Sellers look like they're trying. Interesting if this will drop as fast as it blew up. Probably not as quick, Shavit. Probably we still could find some reversal, some balance, but I mean it's Thursday, so we're coming into the end of the week. Probably won't be super sharp the way that we went up. This has been buying market. This is a bull's market. We'll get retracements, we'll get balance, but it's not going to be as quick, I don't think. Whoever's talking about patience, watch this video from Ty. Talks about it really good. Fucking work. You're the man, King. I love that shit. Absolute GOAT. Mac Futures W. Let's go, King. Appreciate you for being here. W work. I was literally thinking about the video when Ty was talking about it. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. I love it. It's really about just backing up from your experience, your expectations. It will let you be patient because you're not in the moment. You're not like so hyper fixated on what has to happen, and that causes our impatience. We have FOMO, we have greed, we have fear. Just trust the charts they're gonna play out. Keep getting better at it and learn, baby. Y'all are the best. TLR, I love that shit. Let's fucking go, family. There's 34 people watching. Our goal is 30 likes per stream. I know we're a little shy right now, but if you guys are watching, find any value, show some love, hit the love button. It goes a long way. NASDAQ looks like it's trying to disrespect me by just bottom ticking me out of this trade. Sellers are clearly still loading up here at these 880s though. A lot of resistance up here at the moment. Big sell candle there. It's going to take some volume to break through here. It does kind of look like a bull flag, the way that we're holding this flat bottom here, but it's a little steep. So I'd like at least a retest towards like these 850s before the continuation higher to go grab some of this liquidity down here. Market context for your records, the milestone. NASDAQ has continued its record-breaking streak on the 7th, reaching the intraday high of 779 futures action. It's kind of crazy. 7 more for our big 30, baby. Come on, let's get it. We're so close, family. If you guys are showing some love, get over that finish line. We need 7 people to get over the finish line. That's special. Push even further, trading as high as the 814.50 earlier in the session. Talk about the 28,900s, all-time high prices. We've never seen a 28,900 and 250 traded in the NASDAQ except for today, guys. Record-breaking, historic. Every single day we're getting this action. This has been the buyer's market. Like, look at a daily chart here. It'll make you question everything. Like, what the fuck is that? Like, are you kidding me? No, like, are you kidding me? Golly. Look at that chart. What the fuck? Guys, from October to March, 5 months, we did nothing. And now this has been the last 6 weeks. Crazy, guys. Like, do you really understand what's happening? Like, we're in a war, and we have the strongest market we've ever seen in the history of the world right now. You use mistake of getting used to something. Let's fucking go, bro. Excited to see that. Absolutely. We're going to go for it. We're going to trade TPT for a bigger target. We're going to be willing to put some size on there. And like I said, take outside edges with leverage. Could lose a couple times, but my strategy says that I take good setups that play out. And if I can just do that one time with the right setup. Are you really going to disrespect me so bad, NASDAQ, that you got to come down in the 862 before breaking up into the highs? How rude of you. Like, genuinely, how rude of you. Now we'll see where we go from here, family. Do we continue into this buy pressure? This was the bull flag getting broken. Never used TPT, but low-key might take a look at it. I think you should, King. They have uncapped payouts after the buffer, so you can actually request a 50K payout in a single day. Special. As long as I can trade metals, we good. I'm not sure. I think probably Santi. I don't think they restricted that. But I couldn't 100% confirm that. But I do believe you could. 34 people watching, family. I know we're really close to our 30 like stream goal. Show some love if you haven't yet. It means a lot. It goes a long way. You're here hanging out with us completely for free. We do it every single day. We're on episode 265 now. 265 trading days. We've been hanging out as a family. And this is still just the start, baby. Episode 1000 is going to go crazy. Episode 1K going to go wild. NASDAQ still just finding some bids, man. I cannot believe how unlucky we were that getting tagged out of that break-even price. Completely disrespected us. Very rude, NASDAQ. That was mean. Didn't appreciate it. Gross. Funded. Woo. Let's go, Corey. Come on, King. It ain't even hard. Like that man's left has never left. Almost 2K subs, too. By the end of the month, we will be reaching that. Amen. Let's go, King. I love it. End of the month, we're crushing that. End of next week, we're going to be crushing that with Pat on there. That man's going to get us all the likes. You see, you wait. All the subs. NASDAQ, 915. A little bit of a turning point here. I still anticipate some continuation. Not seeing anything that really screams reversal yet. It is getting 1041, so we're getting later into the session where range extension isn't as likely, but say that to yesterday, right? Where that's where the range really came in, is just all motherfucking day. So, yeah, if we're long, we're long. That's kind of the thesis here. NASDAQ pulling back into this EMA pretty sharply. I wouldn't short it. Not going to lie to you. Wouldn't be me trying to catch a short there. Now the goal is to take it easy. Your boy needs to pay out, and then we need and we need things we stupid. And when we need things we stupid, yes we do. When we need stuff, we do stupid stuff because of, like I was just talking about, all the extra emotions that are tied to it, all the thoughts about it, trying to pay a bill with it, makes our psychology all skewed. So take your time, do your trade setups that you know you can do, Corey. You're a hell of a trader, King, and you're going to get over that finish line. Big 30. I was a 30th like. Unstoppable. Let's go. I appreciate it so much. Everyone that shows love and hit the button today, y'all are special. Our community, that's our day ones, that's our familia. Doing the thing. That's what it's about, guys. We show up, we pick each other up, we support. You guys finding value keeps me wanting to do it. Keeps this family tight, you know. I wouldn't want to do it if you guys weren't finding value. If you guys were just, you know, not finding anything useful, then we wouldn't be in here doing this. NASDAQ still just holding at the highs. Again, I wouldn't be the first one to try to short this. I'm anticipating continuation. You can look at yesterday's price action for what we could be looking for. It looks like we really are hunting the 29,000s, like straight up, which is silly. Very, very silly. Can't believe how disrespected I just got on this bottom tick down here as well. NASDAQ said, no, sir. No, sir. Sorry, you want to be a part of it? No, sir. That's fine. That was just rude. But I'll forgive you. I love you anyways. You know what I mean? It's like your girl. You just love her no matter what she does. Sometimes it's not your favorite thing. Sometimes sometimes things just don't go how you would have liked them to. But you love her anyways. Every single push is just being bought up. Every single one. Ugh, excuse me. Sorry about that, family. Grateful to be here, guys. Love y'all. Love you too, Pat. Love that shit. Our familia, tight, strong, getting better, learning together, winning together. Oh, felt nice. Little neck alignment, you know? Come on. We have 15 more minutes here before we're going to be looking to log out. Can we find something here? Don't want to force anything. Would like to get a little bit more of the guap. Man, we'd be so close to passing if we didn't get unlucky there, NASDAQ. What? It's okay. I forgive you. I forgive you, Queen. Whatever. Sure. Do it to me. New meta, guys. Buy at market open. Okay? Just buy at market open. That's just the meta. Just buy at market open. It's been the meta. It is the meta. You cannot miss in these markets. We are going up. We are going up. 30,000 NASDAQ next. Excited for you, Pat. This new series is going to be sick as hell. It's going to be super exciting. I can't wait. Have Pat on here with us every day, doing the thing, getting better as a family. Woo! Watch that man win in real time. Go from doing it, have been doing it, no payouts, to doing it and getting payouts. And the confidence, the perspective, everything's going to turn around. I cannot wait for that, man. NASDAQ, new highs. New highs. Right? There it is. 917. New highest price in the NASDAQ, a history of the world, being traded right in front of our faces right now, family. People top blasting this thing. Crazy. Like, this is just crazy. We may not be getting another opportunity. Only way I'd really be doing it is if we get a strong sell volume into something I can buy and try to ride it up. But for the most part, nuzzer. And for the most part, nuzzer. Made $500 today. Could have been a lot more if NASDAQ wasn't so mean to me. But that's fine. I don't even, who cares? I don't even think about it. Yeah, if you guys are looking at this hourly chart and you're not just trying to long that thing, I don't really know, to be honest with you. If you guys look at that hourly chart and you're not trying to find a nice long here, I don't know what to tell you. All of a sudden, yawning a lot. Please stop. Please stop doing that. No more yawning. That'd be great. Yeah. Every time we keep breaking the high, we're getting big sell volume, which is expected. We're at like these big levels. But as long as we hold above the 900, I wouldn't mind this to continue higher. Holding the EMA as well. You start getting selling to come in through here. It could be interesting for a little rotation. You start getting some selling to come through here. You could get a little rotation possibly, but really I anticipate these 900s to try to hold. Big spot here at the 900s.
Order filled.
I'm gonna be looking to buy soon.
Order filled.
It's scary though, because it's kind of we could get a little rotation here, family. I'm not gonna hold you. Like we could actually get a little bit
Order
of a
filled.
rotation now.
Order
Buyers have
filled.
just had their control all morning, so it might be time for a little balance. You know what I'm saying? Here we go with the buyers. I mean the sellers. Whoosh, getting that push down in there.
Order filled.
Not completely unbelievable, right? Not very shocking. Okay, we're turning off the highs a little bit here. Crazy how small the family started, and now look at us, Ty, out here changing people's lives and mindsets. Crazy, bro.
Order filled.
Crazy. So blessed for the for opportunity and perspective. For you guys to appreciate
Order
being
filled.
here means a lot. Truly means more than I can express to you guys. For every single one that shows up consistently is always a part of this community, keeping vibes high, showing love. You guys changed my life in the same way, so I appreciate you guys. Nasdaq selling down into these 70s. I kinda thinking
Order
about a
filled.
little buy, a little bit of a buy, a tiny little buy. But also, if we come back up in towards these like 65, 96s, I don't know. How do you know? How would I know, darling? Like, what would tell me that I know? Or if I don't know, you mean? 860 would be a nice spot to give a little buy, but we might not. My chart reading price action says a short at these 93s is a decent attempt, but not really trying to be a seller today.
So
You know what I'm
guys,
saying?
my bad. I
price
need to
action
lose
mind
money.
says, hey,
What I am doing
you can
is I'm
sell
trying to
these
lose
EMA
about
through
$30
Texas
on
previous
this
swing
account,
high, these
and
93s,
then
so
I
give a
want to
decent
lose
chance.
about.
Not really trying to be a seller today though. But I'm gonna put it
Something on
on,
this
and you know what I'm
account.
gonna do? Just have my stops above this spot here at the 904s. Buy 5 stops, and that's my trade.
Order filled.
If we get filled, we
Dude,
get
I wanna
filled.
lose more than
Makes
that.
what we're kinda
Order
losing
filled.
now, actually. And we'll see what happens here.
Order filled.
Alright.
Just trying to catch a little rotation off the top. I do not anticipate, like, I'm not trying to be a long-term seller. This is a very quick action trade. That's why my stops are in very tight, risking 11 points here. We made some profit, so we can risk a little bit. Am I going to get flash at the EMA for a fill? Might not even get my fill. The 93s. I might not even get a fill, you mean? Go get me. Go get me right there. And then
Come
sell all the way to
on, bro.
22,000.
Come down.
You can tap me in and go all the way down to 22,000. Come on, be the candle. Be the candle that gives me a taparoonie. Well, taparoonie. Taparoonie and cheese.
Order filled.
Order filled. Very nice. And now we're looking to see if we can hold below these 2 spots. If the buyers just reclaim it, we're just gonna be cooked.
Stop filled.
Yep. No, that's why you don't want to always be the seller in a bull market. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what you get when you try to be a seller in a bear market. This Nasdaq knows how to go up. That's what it knows how to do. All right, family. Well, kind of a wash day on these Lucid accounts. Gonna have to continue to pick it up tomorrow. And tomorrow we're gonna have these Lucid accounts, TPT accounts trading. Tomorrow we're gonna have Pat on here. It's gonna be exciting. I'm very excited to see the future here for us, for Pat, to see that man's whole perspective get flipped around. It's gonna be incredible to watch, be a part of. So hope you guys are excited for that. I am stoked myself. We are gonna try to see if we can get these Lucids passed next couple days as well. Probably obviously can't do it tomorrow, so we'll see where we go, where we come from. But in the meantime, I love you guys so fucking much. I appreciate every single person being here, showing love, being a part of this community. It's special. What we're building here is special, and tomorrow we're gonna have the opportunity to put all that love into Pat and see if we can get that man some new lessons in the market, because this game is forever. So in the meantime, don't go wait. What do you need, King? About to get up out of here.
Order filled.
What do you mean? What do you mean, D?
Order filled. Order filled.
What do you mean, Saw? My good Saw. NASDAQ pushing higher into the 910s now. I think we find continuation. I don't think that the roof is the 918.25s right now.
Order filled.
Peace out. All right. Well, that's going to do it for us, family. Seriously, so excited. Tomorrow, end the week strong on a Friday. Free Money Friday. We're going to have Pat on there first day, testing it out. And then next week, we're going to be going at it every day with him.
Order filled.
Consistent. Hopefully, we can smash these TPT accounts and have a crusher of a day. Have a good day, you two. Everybody, I love y'all so much. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And we're seeing a new all-time high price trade in the NASDAQ for the history of the world. It's exciting times. And we'll be back in the morning. I love you guys. Take it easy. Peace.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
NASDAQ ain't stopping. Hey, Denny, we got those giveaways? Oh, yeah, we do.
Guess what he said? Hey, you got those giveaways? Hey, Daddy, we do. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? NASDAQ hit all-time highs. Danny, we do. The fuck? Trading milestone on NASDAQ. Record-breaking May 7th, reaching... So I took a trade on NASDAQ. I am up So I took a trade on NASDAQ. I am up 1,000 on 5 accounts. This is the trade I took. I did the 5-minute orb break and retest. It broke and did that retest, and I entered in, and look, I am going for about 10 more points. I am up 15 or 11. quick question. My name is Deontay Smith, 1599. Could you tell me my next appointment and if I have authorization for it?
Yeah, let me see. Your next one is Wednesday at 1:40, and then it looks like we have. Let me ask my ops team because sometimes they don't update it. So let me just make sure.
Yes, ma'am.
And if also you don't have it, we'll call you the day before. But I can ask them and then give you a call right back.
Oh, no, no, no. I thought it was like Friday, like tomorrow. But if it's Wednesday, I'll
Okay.
just wait until you don't have to do that.
Okay, and if we don't call, then it will be authorized and no need.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for calling Colorado Concussion Clinic. If this is a medical emergency, please hang up and dial 911. To reach our Wheat Ridge office, please press 1. To reach Superior, please press 2. Thank you. Thank you for calling Colorado Concussion Clinic. If this is a medical emergency, please hang up and dial 911. To reach our Wheat Ridge office, please press 1. To reach Superior, please press 2. Colorado Concussion Clinic, this is Kristen. How can I help you?
Hey, my name is Deontay Smith, 1599. I was wondering, do I have any appointments coming up? No, I don't know if. I know they were waiting for. Jackie was waiting for authorization to set this. To see if I could get more appointments. I don't know if that is.
I have you scheduled for May 21st and June 24th.
Alright. Do you know if the authorization did come through? For
Not
me?
yet.
Oh, no, not yet?
Yeah.
Alright. And then the quick question.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, no, you can finish.
We did get that request sent over to them, so we are pending their response. And so that can take a little bit of time.
Oh, no, no worries. Usually, would you guys call me to schedule if that they get?
Yes.
Oh, alright, thank you.
Once we get the additional funding, we'll give you a call.
Thank you. So only May 29th?
So I have you scheduled for May 21st
21st?
and June 24th.
Alright, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hello?
Hi, this is Deontay.
Yes?
Hi, this is Taylor calling from Artist Team Physical Therapy.
Alright.
I was just calling to let you know that it looks like she had emailed the wing company and everything, but they haven't responded to her or anything. So
Yeah,
if you could reach out.
it's the same with my Colorado concussion. They told me the same. I know the lady on my case, she's on like leave of absence, so I'm gonna call another Natalie that helps me with my case, and she could look at it.
Okay, sounds good. Just
Okay.
letting you know.
Thank you. I'll tell her too. I'll
You're
tell her OCCN Colorado concussion is
Okay.
waiting. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for calling the P Group at
think I don't know, cause I still have it right now. It's like a pressure in the front of my head, and like a headache. It like sometimes turns into a headache. Right now, it's just pressure. I feel it. I don't know what it is. It kind of turns into the headache, and it's like here every day, and my neck still hurts. I already got the injection in the spine, and my neck is hurting right now. I go to massage therapy today, so I'll tell her like she'll probably work on my neck, but yeah. I was just wondering.
Yeah, I will check to see if we can get you set up with Metro, something called Metro Discover Neurology. Now, of course, they're located. It's going to be a little further south for you. They're located in Denver, but it's kind of near I-25, and I believe that might be Island or Hampton is their location. So that's kind of southeast Denver. I will see if they're able to get you set up for a neurology
Is that the same
consultation.
place? Oh, is that the same place you guys sent me for the first evaluation? And I didn't want to do it, and I walked out. Remember?
I think so.
I think I went to a place over there, Hampton, or it was like somewhere. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, that's a different provider. That was maybe Cortex TBI initially. No, this is not a provider you have seen before. It's for Denver Neurology. I'll have to see if they're able to see you just for the neurology consultation only, and with the understanding that you're receiving most of your concussion treatment with the concussion clinic.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah, cause I thought about it because OCC someone called me back and said they still don't have whatever it's called the additional funding for the treatment. So I thought about it. I was like, oh,
Yeah.
Abby's not here, so I wonder who's doing that. So I just called you to
Yeah.
see.
Yes, all of us are working on it. It's just that we hadn't spoken with your attorney. That call was going to take place today. But since I have those updates from you, that you've already spoken with your attorney, I can go ahead and move that additional authorization forward for the physical therapy and the authorization for the concussion clinic.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then I will see if my neurology team will get you scheduled for the neurology consultation as well.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please give us a call back if you don't hear any updates by Monday, and then we can just help with this from there. But I'll get moving on that information right now.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Hey Siri, would it be too early right now to call my lawyer? Hello? I just got. So they're gonna call this place Metro. They have a neurologist, but they don't want to they don't want to send me there because they said if they send me to the neurologist that they have, the neurologist is gonna want to take over the whole like all the brain treatment, like even the stuff that Colorado Concussion is doing.
Well, why don't they want that?
Cause she said they already. I've been with Colorado Concussion for a minute, so she said she's gonna try to. There's this place, Metro Denver, something, I don't know, I forgot. But she's gonna call them and see if they would do evaluation on on my head, neurologist, but only that, like, not take over cause I'm already doing the other treatment, like the anxiety and stuff,
Oh, okay.
at the other place, so.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good.
Alright.
Okay, so Sunday, are we going out? Y'all, you taking me to dinner for Mother's Day, or what are we doing?
I don't have money for that.
Oh, okay.
No, it's just like, I don't know. I gotta see. Where are we going? Where do you want to go?
Well, that's what I'm trying to think. I have to see where
grandma? Whose grandma was going with?
Well, she was asking me where we going to go eat.
Where we?
Yeah. I don't think, well, I know Erica and them ain't gonna have no money, so.
What, did Ebony not talk to you guys yet?
Oh, I haven't talked to her. She texted me yesterday, asked me about the graduation. I just texted her the information. That's
Oh, yeah. They're gonna get over it. I think Bishop knows something. Because in church, he prayed about, like, he said, y'all, people inside is fighting, y'all need to stop that, or I don't know. He like, prophesied about it, though, like, but everyone, like, in the middle of, what's it called? Not communion, like, when he's praying for a bunch of people. Yeah, so I think they're gonna get over it. Well, I was thinking, how is that even gonna work? Cause Destiny and Kiara was sitting right next to each other at church. They're not. Yeah, that's not even gonna pause.
Yeah, we ain't done nothing to her. That's her. And she's
But-
wrong for listening to some
Probably like in 2 weeks, we're going to White's Hands. I already got Edwin's permission to borrow his truck. I'm gonna switch in cars. I'm gonna take the kids. Cause Cisco and them is gonna go with us. He's gonna drive. So, and then he's probably not gonna take Amara. So some of the little cousins could fit in his car. I told you I wanted to. They said that there's destination spots that you can only go to. Wait, was that the same with Wingwood? I don't remember. I just remember we got out somewhere and we went up the mountain.
Yeah, we were in Cheryl. Yeah, Jasmine took some of the sand and bottom.
Yeah, that's how I remember.
Okay, so then Sunday, I'm trying to think where I want to go. Well, you know what I want, but if we can't go there, I understand.
What is that?
You know where I want to go.
I don't know where you want to go. I don't want no rice.
Zuma. Shut up.
What am I gonna eat? Rice and eggs the whole time?
Yeah, so they have noodles.
What am I gonna eat? Rice and pua? Pua, whatever that is called?
They have steak chicken. What are you talking about?
I don't want no fried steak and
I like the
chicken or
Zuma.
grilled steak and chicken.
Well, it's Mother's Day. It's supposed to be what the mom wants.
Then I'll pay for you to go with Grandma. I'm not gonna go.
No, you can go.
I don't even like that stuff.
Good in you? Yeah, that's right. See, you think Jasmine said Jasmine would go with me.
Yeah, that's what I said. Jasmine could go.
She's not gonna be here. But I think it's someone. I better go back to her.
We can go to Golden Corral.
I'm not going.
Nah, just playing. What about that buffet at the casino?
Yeah, you tell them that's $30. That's like very expensive.
Mom,
It's like $30.
you know who I am? I'm Deontay. I say it. That what do you mean that's $30? Grandma, who's paying for Grandma?
I don't know.
You are. You her mom. Or that's your mom. It's Mother's Day. I'm paying for you. You paying for Grandma. Was Edwin paying for her or something?
No, nobody said anything. All I asked.
Put in a group chat with all your siblings. So what are y'all doing for Grandma? But alright.
Oh, that was nice. So she sent it back to you. Oh, that was nice.
Alright, I'll let you go.
Alright.
Bye. no way! Ain't no way! Ain't no way! Ain't no fucking way! Ain't no fucking way! Ain't no fucking way! Ain't no fucking way! Hey Siri, call mom on speaker.
Calling mom on speaker.
Oh, I forgot to tell you the news.
What?
I traded all-time highs today. This is crazy. I guess Nasdaq, if you look it up on Google, it says that it just hit the hot. This is the first time it hit like the high it hit, and I made $1,500 trading it on 5 Lucid accounts. That's crazy. So
Oh,
since that made history, that means I made history since I traded in the history. You see what that means?
no.
That means I'm gonna be in the history books when May 7th, 2025, when Nasdaq hit all-time highs. Deontay Smith was one of the guys traded in that high.
Okay.
That's crazy, huh? I made that up. But
Well, I'm sure you did.
do you think it's too early to call the lawyer?
I don't know. Call him for what?
I need to see. I forgot to tell him. I have a whole employee number with SkyWest. I put that into ChatGPT, and they said, "Oh, that's a game changer for a lawsuit. That proves that you was actually an employee, and you were in a cadet program." I don't think they knew that. I
Oh, well,
forgot.
just call him and tell him.
Yeah, I forgot. Is it too early though? Right now, 9:30.
No.
All right.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Joe here.
Hey, Joe, it's Deontay Smith. I forgot to mention SkyWest. You know the airlines. I have a whole employee number. I'm a SkyWest cadet, and they paid me 15 grand. So either I have to work for them, or if I don't work for them, I have to pay them back. So I was getting my hours for them. I forgot to mention all that. That's probably a game changer in the lawsuit, but I don't know. Because that was my, it's a cadet pilot path. So I'm guaranteed a employee number. I have seniority. Like, so when I work there, my seniority starts from like May of. I became a cadet in like 2023. So that's like, uh, it's it's basically I just need my hours, and I had like a class date, an interview, all that guaranteed with Skywest.
When's the last time you did anything aeronautical?
For flying.
Yeah,
Uh,
anything.
well, I worked on like remember I was working in Texas and stuff, and then that was on airplanes. But flying, I haven't flown since May from the car crash because I was supposed to fly that whole weekend, Mother's Day. I was supposed. I had a trip planned. Remember, I sent you guys all the proof from that, like the cancellations from the flight. That was so. The last time was the weekend before the crash. I flew with a girl, and it was like May 5th or something, May 4th, May 3rd, the weekend, and then the crash happened.
And since the crash, you have not flown at all.
No, sir.
And when did you stop working on airplanes?
Since FMLA, the job said that I needed to have approval to come back to work, and the doctors wouldn't give me it, so I had to take FMLA. And since then, they just approved ADA all the way till the end of July, and I don't know if I'm gonna have to extend it after that. But right now, it's all the way till the email. I can send all the emails to. It's all the way until the end of July, and they have that little. They have the proof where it says from the work that Deontay can't work or his cognitive impairment, infant, like isn't good for maintenance. So and then I should talk to Merrick and then Natalie since Abby is like on vacation or gone right now. I just talked to Natalie. They're gonna get more stuff to Colorado to start the treatment, but she said the only thing with the neurologist is the people they have. She's gonna try a different place because she said the normal place that they go to, they're gonna want to probably take over all the treatment, and she doesn't want that to happen. Like basically, she said all the stuff Colorado is doing, they're gonna want to take over Colorado concussion treatment and do everything over there. So she's gonna just look for a place that does just neurologist treatment. But other than that, I sent over an email with my employee number from SkyWest. Like I have an employee number to log in. I sent over the proof of all the pay I took out. I sent over my medical, all the stuff from IACRA from the government flying. I sent over
So
my.
let's go back to SkyWest. They paid you $1,500, $15,000.
Yes, sir. 5,000 for my private license, 5,000 for my instrument rating, and 5,000 for my commercial license.
And if, hold on one second, hold on.
says over 200 different foods. Do you think that's correct?
I've been before. It's pretty big.
It's like bigger than Golden Corral?
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
And then I'll see if I'll ask Gary, Gary, you can pay them all.
If Eric can pay for more?
Yeah, with Gary.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
All the different. This is Mongolian grill right here. Wow. Okay, I heard good stuff about it. So you got a Mongolian grill. Over here we got a sushi and poke. Not sure what that is. It'll cost you about, I think, about $50 or so. But you definitely don't leave hungry over here. I can tell you that. My top one before coming here was the marketplace at the Morongo in California. This one's located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, just outside. And I'll tell you, it's just as good and for me, not super busy like the other ones. There's a dessert bar over here. Just go ahead and treat yourself here. All kinds of stuff. Wow. Wow. Coffee station here. It's pumpkin spice for the upcoming holidays. Very good, very good. Time to make the donuts. They have fresh donuts here. I guess they make them in-house. We got a little, looks like American classics over here. So I'm not sure exactly. I didn't want to interrupt the people. Defecated steak, fried chicken, mashed potatoes, cheese and macaroni. A few more things over here. Really nice. And this is the American classics. Okay, so again, everything is included here unless you order something out of the norm. Pizza, corn, onion rings, fish, shrimp, ribs. Really, really good. Oh, this is what I had this little bit ago. They have here all-you-can-eat prime rib tonight. Okay, they even got pork loin, and they even got turkey and sausage. Very, very good. That's what I had on top of the double lobster tails. So I'll tell you, they really treat me good over here. And you know, my meal was going to be around $95, over $95. So I didn't have to pay a cent. I took care of the waitress. You know, really good. You got to do that. These people rely on it. I had a little luck at the table, so you know, I'm ahead right now and just enjoying it. I really like this place. They got plenty of truck parking whenever I'm in town. Ooh, nice place. Look at all that stuff.
I need some of these. Yeah, I'm gonna take some of these. I'm just taking those. think I missed a call from you guys. My name is.
Yeah, I was just leaving you a message. I was just saying that we ended up getting the authorization, so you're good to go.
All right, thank you.
Of course. Thanks.
Bye. here. Look me up by 11.
It's turned on.
Ellis? I will wait for him at the shed.
Wait, you can't do that.
Get out of my way.
You don't understand. You have to meet with Alice. It's the only place that the baby comes in.
There is no baby.
There is. It's just not yours.
Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Get out of my way!
You see? The baby knows about this thing.
Get out of my way! Get out of my way!
I'm sorry. This is for the best.
Previously on Front.
That's why you wanted a divorce. Because it would be easier for you to cut and run. Instead of trying to put our family back together.
When you're with your wife, you should shut the fuck up and listen. What you're doing, how tight you're holding on to everything, you're doing it because you're scared.
Ever since I woke up, something has been happening. I hear people screaming. You're at threshold. You can't always see the baby.
It was the boy in white. He was the one who was telling secrets to Christopher.
Christopher would go to the tree, so I told my mother what the boy in white said.
Help me out. I can save all of you.
Is this really what happens?
We were in the greenhouse. She was trying to help me. I said something. I couldn't stop.
There is either something horrible growing inside of her, or else this place has finally broken her mind. You are not going to tell everyone that I am.
Building supplies to make a shop twice a week.
Fatima! It's the only place that the baby comes in.
There is no baby.
There is. It's just not yours.
Hey, Big Dog. I'm not going back to town without her, man. Listen, Ellis, she took the talent. So what? All right, she wouldn't just leave. We don't know that. Maybe she. Hey, listen to me. Listen to me. Look, we can come back out in the morning, okay? No, I'm not leaving her out here overnight. What are you gonna do, huh? You just put. What's wrong with your hand? Let's just. Oh, hey, no. Dad? Dad. Okay. What's wrong?
things to have you get a little more comfortable. Please. I feel good. You're not a prisoner here. I told you, this is for your own good. Please. I'm trying to protect you.
Jim, listen to me. I saw her. That thing that's been speaking to you, I saw her. What you see isn't true. This thing inside me, it's not good. It won't do good things. Look what happened to Tilly.
That happened because the baby was scared. It was hungry, but you weren't feeding it. We have to stop fighting. Hey, you know, wait, Fatima, please, just listen. It's okay. It's okay. Listen. You need to eat. The sooner you eat, the stronger the baby will be. And before you know it, we'll be going home. All of us. The baby already helped us once. The night I gave her birth.
Hey, sorry, I didn't see your second or your call. My phone was on silent. I put it on right now.
That's okay. I'm gonna get back to your screen. Hang on 1 second.
And then let me see. I think let me go to my Gmail. I'm on my computer too as well.